Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 1981 Toyota Land Cruiser. This baby's been rotisserie restored and she is absolutely gorgeous. I was out driving it yesterday, had a blast. Couldn't hardly resist taking this baby off-road. Look at them tires. You want to talk about digging in the mud, digging in the snow? She's ready to go. Too bad it is so pretty. This thing is gorgeous. Look at that red paint. Beautiful. We just had a big debate. Nobody in the shop could tell me what these latches did. Well, I'm going to tell you guys a little secret. When this windshield folds down, those latches hold down the windshield. So, next time you go someplace and somebody wants to know what those latches do, Greg told you. Look inside there. Absolutely beautiful in there too. It's 4-speed with a stick on the floor. Very cool. That other stick in there is what controls the 4-wheel drive. You got high and low range. So if you feel like pulling out bushes or pulling out trees in your front yard, you stick this baby in low range. And then the seats in the back, very cool. Love the upholstery in this baby. They did a beautiful job. I love the color on it. Then of course the roll-up sides. Just like going on safari, man. I love it. These tires are so cool. Got a pinto hitch on it too. Isn't that cool? She's a beauty. Of course, everything on it's been restored. Every nut, every bolt, everything's been repainted, refurbished. She is gorgeous. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever, so that means we own this truck. Right now we're bringing in anywhere between 40 and 50 new units every month, so we've always got something new and exciting coming in here at Vanguard. So make sure you check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and our website often. And Tommy's answering his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. So call him anytime at 248-974-9513. He can answer any question you have about this truck or any one of the other cars that we have in inventory. We have about 200 in stock right now. Now I've been in the business for about 35 years and I'm using all that experience to help you park your dream in your drive. All right, let's take our Land Cruiser for a ride. Find me a mud hole. Find me a sand dune. Let's go for a ride. We got Land Cruiser power here, baby. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this Land Cruiser anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain the whole process to you, just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live in the world. You just give Tom a call, he'll go through the whole process with you. Now, if you need help with financing, no problem. We will help you out with financing too. We got about 4 different bankers we work with on financing. We can help you out with that. They'll take care of all the paperwork. Now we sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen on the internet. So don't you worry, we've always got new stuff coming in. Check Tom out often. He will answer his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. We're gonna check out the turning radius on this sucker right now. Watch this. This is one of the coolest things about this thing. This thing will turn on a dime. Look at that. I love it. Now, we are very close to the airport here in Detroit. So if you'd like to come check this baby out in person, we would love to have you. So come on down. We're open on Saturdays. We sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen, but we love to have our customers come in. As a matter of fact, we invite you to come in and we encourage you to come in. So please, if you've got the time and the means, come on in, check us out. We've always got new inventory coming in, and it is fun to meet our customers. We love it. If you're coming in on business and you need a ride from the airport, we'll come down to the airport and pick you up. Just let us know, give us a call. If you want to drive in on a Saturday, give us a call. Let us know you're coming. We do have about 80,000 square feet of indoor storage and well over 200 cars in stock. So we may have to move around a couple of cars and trucks to get your favorite one out. Now here's our building here at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. So stick with us. We're about to do something nobody else dare do in the industry. We're going to put this thing up on the lift so you can see the bottom. Then we're going to pop the hood, see what's making the power. All right, we're underneath the Land Cruiser now, and man, there's a bunch of shiny stuff under here. You can see new shackles here, new exhaust, all new nuts and bolts, new shocks, new cables on the parking brake, 370 gear in the rear end here, and this is the correct rear end housing. It is an open rear end. Now the guys will check out the brakes, make sure they're in good working order. You can see everything under here has been cleaned up and painted. All the nuts and bolts are brand new in here. I see new bushings and everything, just beautiful under here. They did a real nice job cleaning this thing up. You see new shackles up here also. Just a real nice job cleaning this thing up. And these tires, man, these tires are cool. The rims are all cleaned up. These are split rims. Very, very cool, just like in the old days on the semi-trucks. We got lockout hubs here. Again, all the hardware here is all brand new. You can see there's new bushings here. See the exhaust is run down the side here. Very cool how they sneak that around. Got new paint here on those split rims, looking good. The tire size is 7.5 by 16. Real sharp looking truck right here. Well, we're gonna lower it down, see what's under the hood. So we got the 4.2 liter straight six in here. Of course, everything that can be polished up is polished up under here. Every nut and bolt that can be new is new under here, looking sweet. Everything's painted up nice. That carburetor looks like it's been all rebuilt. It's got power brakes. Just beautiful under here. Looks like we got the original tag here on the firewall. They've cleaned that all up. Gorgeous underneath the hood here. Original air cleaner. Looks like that's the slave cylinder for the clutch also. So it's got a hydraulic clutch. Looks like it's got a new hoses. All the wiring looks good. Just a beautiful truck overall, guys. Nicely restored. Give us a call, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.